In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order Foodpanda with Voucher. Start by opening your browser on your phone or computer. In the address bar or search box, type the word Foodpanda. Then confirm you see results showing the Foodpanda food delivery service, usually with the pink logo and a short description about ordering food online in your area. If you only see unrelated results, check that you spelled Foodpanda correctly, all as one word, then search again. Once the search results appear, look carefully and click the correct link. You want the official Foodpanda website, which usually appears near the top and shows the familiar logo. When you click it, the Foodpanda homepage opens and you should see a location or address section and different food categories. If the page language or region looks wrong, you are probably on a different country site, so look for your country name at the top before going further. From there, look towards the top right of the Foodpanda page and click Login. A sign-in window or page appears, usually offering options like email, phone, or social accounts. Choose the method you already use with Foodpanda, so your saved addresses and previous vouchers can work. After you sign in, the page reloads and your name or profile icon should now appear instead of the login button. Now that you are signed in, choose a restaurant, add items to your cart, then click Review Payment and Address. You can scroll through the list of restaurants near your location, or use the search bar to look up a specific place or cuisine. When you open a restaurant page, you will see its menu with item names, prices, and sometimes pictures. Click or tap on items you want to order, and they will appear in a small cart panel, usually on the side or at the bottom. Check the quantities and options like size or flavor before continuing. When your cart looks right, click the button labeled Review Payment and Address, which opens a summary page showing your items, delivery address, and a cost breakdown. On the review page, look for vouchers for your order and click View All. There is usually a section called Vouchers, Promo Code, or something similar near the total price. You might see a short message suggesting available deals or a link that says View All. Click View All, and a list or pop-up appears showing vouchers that match your order, including their conditions, such as minimum spend or specific restaurants. Next up, add the voucher code and click Apply. If you already have a voucher code, type it carefully into the voucher box, watching out for common mistakes like confusing the letter O with 0. Then click the Apply button beside the box. After a brief moment, the order summary updates and you should see a discount line and a lower total amount. If the code is invalid or does not match your order conditions, Foodpanda will show an error message so you can try a different voucher. You have now ordered on Foodpanda with a voucher and seen your discount applied to the total. If this helped you save on your meal, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Foodpanda tips.